everybody, Lorena and I reporting from the Orange County Fair. We are the Fair Girls. Next month will be the LA County, but this is the new thing here. It's a cinnamon roll sundae, and it's got vanilla ice cream, walnuts, a cherry, chocolate, and the cinnamon roll. Okay, so we're gonna try that. Yeah, take it. Unicorn theme here, a lot of different like unicorn legs, unicorn cotton candy. Okay. Yes, this looks pretty good. Yeah? All right. Okay. I'm not going to be as dainty. Oh, this is heavy. It weighs a ton. Okay. What do you think? That's amazing.
It is really, really good.
Okay. So, when you come to the fair, cinnamon roll sundae, A+. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Please become a subscriber.